What's up, everybody? Coming back from flying drones out at Junction. Still dealing with a video signal loss problem, but I think I have a resolution for that. Got a 3D part coming from a friend of mine, 3D printed part. It's gonna hold my video antenna up in the air, or pointing up so it doesn't hit the props. And it's also gonna hold maybe hold my receiver antennas out on the side, so that'll be cool. Hopefully that'll solve my problem, because again today I dropped video. I got a picture of it, the results. Nothing broken, well, one prop broken, but just caught up in some weeds. All in all, it was good. I did learn about horizon mode today. When I switched to Spectrum, I redid my DX6E, programmed it for my drone, and I put in all three flying modes: horizon, air, and acro. I think that's what they are. And horizon, for anyone that doesn't know, horizon mode auto levels, but still lets you do flips and rolls and things. Air mode limits how much you can tilt, and you can't roll or flip or anything like that. And then acro is you can do whatever you want, but it doesn't auto level. So horizon I found really good for flying line of sight. So I was able to do 2 batteries line of sight after the first battery that I lost signal and crashed. I'm just driving home. Sun's over here, and wow. Okay, let's not do that. Anyway, like I said, good day flying. I got some really good footage for you right after this. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy the video.
In the evening you'll be calling. In the evening you'll be calling. In the evening
Well, that's not supposed to happen.